Hello guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to put tattoos on skin in Photoshop. And also, we will dive deeper into applying layer on another layer, applying some blur effects, changing blend modes, and adjusting options in underlying layers. So let's get started! In our document, we got here an image of this man showing his biceps. And our goal here is to apply tattoos on his biceps. Actually, the tattoo that we're going to apply here is on this other window. So yes, it's this Japanese woman. Okay, so the first step we're going to do here is we're going to create a duplicate layer of this background layer. So to do that, let's just right click on it and then select duplicate layer. And then let's name this one as black and white. Okay. And then let's press OK. After that, selected on this layer, I'm going to press Control plus Shift plus U, and it will turn into black and white image. And after this, I'm going to save this one. So let's go to File, select Save As, and then I'm going to give this name black and white, and then select Save. All right. Later on, we're going to make use of that. Okay, and after that, I'm going to delete this. So I'm just going to drag this one in there in the trash can at the bottom. All right, and then after that, I'm going to create another duplicate layer. So just the same thing, Control plus J. There you go. And after that, I'm going to the other image from the tattoo image that we're going to add on. Yes, this one. And then I'm going to duplicate this layer as well. Control plus J. Go to the menu bar, choose select, and then we're going to select on the subject. Once done, selected on this layer with a selection on it, I'm going to use the move tool. It's on the toolbar. Just press V for the shortcut key, and then click and drag it on the other window. Yes, from the original document, and then release. Okay. And then after that, you see that the image is too big, so we're going to adjust the size. Okay, so selected on that layer, I'm just going to press Control plus T, and this command transformation will appear on its side, and then we can already adjust the size. Okay, so I'm just going to put it on the biceps, make sure that it's fit. Okay, so this one is fine. All right, but for the angle, I'm also going to adjust that. So going here on the options, maybe I'm going to give this one 7. Okay, it looks better. Okay, and then still adjust the size, fit on his biceps. All right, that looks better. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other nerds like us. Going back, still selected on that tattoo layer, now I'm going to adjust the opacity to around 75%, and then change the blend mode, and just click on this. All right, so from normal, we're gonna change it into multiply. All right, now look at the outcome, it's getting better. And then after that, still selected on that layer, I'm going to add a blur effect on it. So just click on filter, choose blur, and choose Gaussian blur. And by the way, for the radius, let's just set this one to 1 and select OK. And the next step, still selected on that layer, still go to the filter, and we're going to choose distort and choose displace. Okay, for the horizontal scale, let's set this one into 10. And also on the vertical scale, set this one into 10. And everything said and done, select OK. And this window will appear, and we're going to choose on the saved image of black and white layer that we just saved a while ago, and then select open. Okay, now you can see that there are some changes on the tattoo. It's getting more realistic. We're not yet done here. Still selected on the tattoo layer. I'm going to create a mask here. add a mask. Just go to the bottom, select this one. Okay, and our goal here is to remove those excess. Okay, clicking on that mask layer, we're going to click on brush tool, and then for the foreground, make sure that it's black, because it means that we're going to remove some excess of that. All right, and then I'm just going to zoom this one in for us to see it clearly, which one to remove. Okay, now select on the brush tool, select B. Okay, and then let's remove those excess. Okay, just making it sure that everything's clear. All right, it seems that it's already clean. Okay, and the last step we're going to do here is still selected on that layer. We're going to right click on that layer, and then let's go to blending options. Click on it, and this layer style dialog box will pop up. And for the blending options, let's go here below from the underlying layer, because our goal here is to make this one realistic, because this man is a bit sweaty, and we're going to bring out some shiny areas, because look at this. This one here is bright, but look at our tattoo. It's not bright, so we're gonna make it balanced to it. Okay, so going to the underlying layer from the highlights here, okay, we're going to adjust the half of it. Okay, so to do that, okay, so I'm going to press Alt and then drag the right side. Okay, so look at the changes. So it's something like the brighter areas are now appearing, that shows that it's sweaty. Okay, so I bet I'm good with this. Once you're satisfied, just select OK. Zoom this one out. Alright, now I'm going to show you the before and after. So this is the before, and this one is the after. And that is how to put tattoos on skin in Photoshop. See you in the next videos.